Hello guys, and today's video I will be showing you how to manage the chat settings on your account on Telegram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Telegram and then go to these three lines here, then go to the settings. Now as you see here, you will find the chat settings, so click on it. Here we have many options, many settings. So as you see here, you can change the chat wallpaper, you can change the name color. Also, you can change the color theme as you want. Here, if you want to change the app icon, so that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.